Hello, welcome again to this new short video. In this video, you're going to be learning how to set up the result sheet 1 template. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So to get started, make sure you go to the add plugin section. So when you click on add plugin and you are taken to this page, the next thing is to make sure you install the result sheet 1 template. So as you can see, I have already installed the templates. So the next I'm going to do is to click on the manage plugin. So when I click on the manage plugin, so it's going to take me directly to the page where I can manage the plugin. So on this manage plugin area, you are given several options to set up your desired color on the result sheet output. Okay, so but if you would like to leave it the way it is, it's fine. You can leave the default, and if you want to select a new color, sure, just click on select color and pick the color you want. Yeah, and over here we have the header column title, so you can also do that. When you are done, click on save changes, and it's going to be saved to your settings. So the next is to click on go to template settings. So on this template settings is where you'll be able to set the class support for this template, because by default this template will have no class to be enabled for. So the default result template that you installed previously, let me show you the default. This is the default you installed previously. On this default page, you will find the settings. So let me go back to the result sheet 1. Then from result sheet 1, just click on go to template settings. So on clicking on go to template settings, when you get to this page, make sure you already have all your report title ready, and your grade are also ready. Make sure everything is set. And if you want to set up your headmaster's comment or change the headmaster title, you can also head down to this page and set it up, and also enable position for classes and departments. Okay, so let's go back again to the general, where we can set the result sheet 1 template. So I will scroll down to the bottom. As you can see, this is it here. When you install the plugin, you'll be given this new column called result sheet 1 class support. So when you select the class that you want this template to work for, you select it. As you can see, all the senior secondary are using the default result template, while all the junior secondary are using the result sheet 1 templates. Okay, so once you are done with that, click on save changes, and after the changes are saved, the next is to go to your manage results section. When you go to your manage results, in case you don't have any results, you can definitely add a new result, and it's going to pick it up. So when you click on add a new result and you select the class that supports the result sheet 1, so because the result sheet 1 comes with other features that needs to be passed to the result template, so it's going to automatically load up for you. Okay, so once it loads up, as you can see, the class that supports result sheet 1 will comes with this Hikomoto and also the behavior value. So you click on it, you set it. You click on the behavior, you also set it. So as you can see, if I change it to another class without result sheet 1 template, it's going to dismiss the options to set the Hikomoto and also the behavior. Cool. So I will go back to manage results and click on the class that supports the result sheet 1. So I'll click on edit, so you can see the values that I set for the Hikomoto and also the behavior. As you can see, everything are all set. So I'll click on preview to see the output of the result. As you can see, this is really cool. So I will now go back to the result sheet 1 on a different tab. As you can see, this is a different tab, just to update how the look, the appearance would be. Okay, so I will go back here, then I will go to the general color. That's the background of the general color. So I will select a new color. So in this case, I will drag this down to this section, then I will select this. So let me select this color. Yeah, this is cool. So I will also retain the foreground color, which is the text color over here, as black, because black still works for the color I just I selected. And also you can also do the same for the behavior color, but we leave the behavior color the way it is. So I will click on save changes, and I will go back to the output results that we've seen the other time. I will click on reload. below the page, and as you can see, the color is applied. So you can also change the color for behavior, psychomotor, everything is all possible, and also the text color can be updated. Yeah, so that's how you can set up the result sheet 1 template in a nutshell. So thank you once again for taking your time to watch this short video. More videos are coming on your way, so you can also subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. Once again, thank you. Bye.